What's up? I'm sitting down to have a meal. Grass-fed beef and organs from a local farm, which I made into burgers. Some goat milk kefir from the same local farm. Organic avocado, pastured eggs, and organic sun gold kiwis. This bite goes crazy. The beef with the avocado in the egg yolk is diabolical. The ground beef with organs is great because it almost gives like a smoky flavor to the meat. Very subtle, but delicious. Man down. I know why I wasn't getting healthier before, because I wasn't eating off a cutting board. Now I got it.